Hello guys again. Today is about testing this PARKSIDE air compressor model PKO 270A4. Let's take a closer look. Here you can meter your PSI bar. Here you can take your 10 meter of pressure hose and put it here. Two air valves out. This is for the oil. This is for the air filter going inside. Here's inside the oil, security valve. I already plugged it and let's start it. It will take a little bit long to fill with air. You can see here. It stops on 10, very synchronized both of them. Now we can connect these 10 meters of hose. Very nice. And to the other side you can connect whatever you want. In that case I will connect this. Next video, that is one of my videos that I only tested for a while, this tool. The air is okay, it's working good, air is in the tank, it goes 10 bar or 150 psi. Definitely I will test the pneumatic radiator set. The other was the blaster gun and the paint gun. And of course I will test how it goes to my tires with this tool. If it's filling the air very fast or not, we will see. And that's for don't miss the next video. Hit the notification bell because definitely more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to see how to work with the paint spray, the pneumatic gun and the air sound blaster. Thank you again guys for watching this testing of the air compressor. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.